Domaimashite everybody, welcome back. As you can see, the computer is working. It's working. And it looks like everything has been semi-restored. I believe all the tracks I was busy working on have been to open them up, but this seems like it's okay. I'm gonna play it for you. It's the Asia song that I'm trying to finish up and maybe just upload onto either SoundCloud or Spotify or both. When it comes down to Spotify, you need to have 1,000 plays in order for it to actually generate income. And even then, to be honest with you, unless you're at the top of your league, you're not going to be making a full amount of money like just doing that. You have to branch out. If you're doing like music, you can't just do one thing. You have to do a number of things. To generate money within the industry. Sounds like it's okay. Let's just listen to this. We're gonna go through the other songs quickly. Make sure everything's okay. Sounds okay. Okay, so my initial plan is to go back and revise that. Let's open up a new one. Let's go to Solar Eclipse of the Sea. Let's see if this is close. I haven't done anything new. Have I done anything new? Not really. Don't save. We're gonna leave that for now because it's already saved, right? We're not going to download new sounds because I realized the moment I opened up new sounds, it's a little bit faster. We can always slow this down. It sounds like it's fine. Okay. We're gonna save this one because I had the volumes down on one section. Okay, now we're gonna do beginning composition, close. I think people like this one. Don't download sounds. I found that was a problem. Sounds we were not using. Okay, I don't remember what this was. What We'll go back and revise that later. We'll just say that for now. Let's go to there she goes. Close. Don't download. So we had to reinstall a brand new version of Logic because the computer basically backed out. So this is the most upgraded version of Logic, which is great. So all the things, I had an older version, so this is going to become like refined and refreshed and everything. I'm going to be able to start doing more things now, which is cool. So, volume. This is Asia. What do we do here? I don't know why there's a long, I don't know if I'm supposed to make that so loud. Was I playing around with them? There she goes on the beach one day, while the men look by her side. And the moment she walks, the moment she talks, she got that sexy way she walks. Okay. So yeah, these are, unfortunately, I had to put a stop to these for now. So we're going to, let's do solar eclipse of the sea. Let's see if that's close. Don't save for now, we're good. Don't download new sounds. I feel like that is, and the volumes, you can hear each one of them, volume is different, so I need to go back and convert that. Okay, so that works. Okay, so we're gonna close, so we're gonna open. Let's just go back to the keyboards, obviously. Okay, so and I'm going to send it to A minor. C minor. And I think if you've recorded something, airdrop it from your phone. I still have to try it out. Same thing might apply for this, but I'm not sure if this can airdrop. Let me just see. I don't think this airdrops, but let me double check. Setting? Oh yeah. AirPlay. Okay, so you can airdrop. So I guess you can airdrop the track. I haven't done it yet. This is something I'm gonna have to test out before I kind of get back into it. So we were working with the iPad and the phone while this was being repaired. Now it's been repaired and there's still a few glitches here. My old pieces are on here, thank goodness. I feel like the pieces that I've tried to work on with my new tracks on my phone are now like the go-to for me. So I need to see if I can kind of shift it around and move things accordingly when I need to. And that's, yeah, I'm just testing to see what the options are. This is what the new one looks like. So I must have had a really old version description. It's basic, it's the same thing, but you can see that there are more things that are like, it does look updated. And it is a new computer, like a new computer setup that my husband kind of revamped here, which is cool. And so we didn't have to buy a new computer, we just had to get new drive, which he put in. So that's basically it. And to show you guys, now I can get back into production on the computer as well. I think I just wanted to give you guys a general show and tell as to the functionality of where we are right now. And that's basically it. I think Asia, I really want to get back into Asia. The new track that I'm doing is on my phone, so I can't transfer. I would have to transfer recording. So I'm using my phone to record these YouTubes, right? So I have to go back and forth between, and I have a camera and a digital camera, but I don't know, it's just easier these days to just use the phone or your iPad. But the iPad, I found, got a little bit more complicated to record on. So in regards to filming the video, because I needed to transfer all the files and all this stuff and then send it back onto, it just got complicated. So that's basically it for today. I don't think it was much of a conversation, just more like, oh my goodness, it's working. I tested out to see if I needed to re-upload or reinstall this, but it looks like it's fine. Button was red. I could be wrong. I could be wrong. I wonder if there's something I have to do there. Anyway, so it's generally working. I think it's okay. I think we're gonna work on that for now. Okay, arigatou gozaimashita. Thank you again for joining me. I just wanted to show you now I'm back in order with all of this. I need to go back and exercise because I've been sick again. It's just like this come and go thing for me. I just, now that I have a rod in my leg, life has become a little bit more interesting. It's not like I'm 23 anymore, I'm much older. So I have to accept the fact that aging is now part of my process. And thank you again. Arigatou gozaimashita. Matashita sayonara and jane bye bye.